Walang
yan. Okay,
lumalabas sa
akin.
akin.
Yan.
Ayun,
Yun.
meron.
Yun, oh.
Okay. Yan. Okay. So, guys, again, this is an official launching on the Traders PH community wherein our goal is to really educate the Filipinos not just in forex but it's just a start
Right.
of the forex, no. We want you to we want everyone to really plan their portfolio. No, the story forex is just a start because we're building it together and we're making it easier for everyone. And the community will be your guide, no, as an investor and journey. So, as an investor and trader's journey. And then as you learn, of course, our goal is to let you earn as well. No, through copy trading, which is automated one, through manual trading, and at the same time diversifying your assets or your profits to other markets as well. So if you notice, we built Traders PH and we are sponsored by Traders PH for that, no, endeavor as well or in that direction. Yan. Okay, so ano ba mga pwede mong gawin? So si Traders PH is partnered with Izanagi, okay, as a system. So there are different kinds of copy trading systems that you can use in Izanagi as unpartnered with Traders PH. And we would like to educate everyone regarding on the risk profile. So ang risk profile mo is you want to start low, and it comes with risk. You have the Izanagi 6 pairs. Kinokopya mo siya as you learn. The OddCAD solo leveling, no, which is mid risk. Didikilas high risk, and the Financial Freedom Fund, which is a shadow technique of Sir Lloyd, which is high as well. No, the everything is robot except the FFF fund. Ayan. The capital can range from 500 to 1,000, and the potential profit, of course, relatively will be dependent, no, kung ano yung how low risk and high risk the strategy is. So ang pinakaiba lang nito, guys, is of course yung mirror trading, or you can duplicate the trades of the bot, which is what we call shadow clone or semi shadow clone. Pwede to except sa DDKIL and Financial Freedom Fund, no? Sa Izanagi pwede din, sa OddCAD pwede. So basically, ito lang yung mga performance na yan, and you can start with Izanagi 6 pairs. It's the longest bot in the Philippines, no? And for last year, it had a 16% return, no, last year. So with a relative drawdown of 7%. Imagine, 7% lang siya. So doble siya ng Pag-ibig MP2, and the risk as well is as low, no, as Pag-ibig MP2. But again, high risk ang Forex. No, it's been running for 5 years already with again 1 to 3% if we average everything in the past 5 years. No, the odd can only. So it's trading only the Australian Canadian with the same system. No, it's been ranging between 1 to 3% between it was launched last year. Yan. So nag 1 to 3% siya. So depende yan. So maganda kaya kasi diversified ka. Okay? So another thing is Didikila, if you want to go high risk with $400, ang intention nito is yung mga gains mo from your manual trades is to diversify it. It has a relative performance of 5 to 10%, no? Since it was launched on 2023. So imagine very diversified that you can try everything and learn from it as well. Yan. And last is the Financial Freedom Fund, which is launched last June 2024. Relatively, it gives you a target of 5% per month, but it's relatively performing last year between 10 to 20%, and this year between 3 to 5% from the Financial Freedom Fund. So you have a lot of strategies in place. Better to really diversify it. Base na malaki, mas maganda sana kung nasa low, mas maganda, mas malaki sa low risk, and then diversify to high risk. But again, planning is key, no, on copy trading. So again, this is for free. Itong mga strategies na to as a start, no, for you to be exposed in the forex market. Okay. So it's also available in XM, but only these three copy trading na strategies. Okay, so you want more, of course, if you want to optimize or you want more profits, you can take advantage of the AI analysis, which is copying only the best trades of the bot, which is what we call shadow technique. Meaning, ikaw ang kakopy sa trader na robot, kokopy mo lang yung best trades niya. That has potentially more profits for you kasi subjective na to. sa interpretation mo sa market, which is for moderate to advanced traders na to and for high risk traders as well. So napakagandang i-start din ng copy trading because the Magic 5, when you see the Magic 5, kukopihin mo lang yan. It immerse you to the strategy. You buy, kasi sa copy trading, you just watch it eh. So, the problem there is pag hindi mo alam yung strategy, kakabahan ka. With this one, ikaw yung pumipindot. So, you immerse the feeling, you immerse the experience, you accumulate the skills, and at the same time, you can potentially earn more. No? With
Yes.
this one, with shadow technique. So, this is just a sample performance of the shadow technique. Depends on the performance. It's been 2022. Like, katulad to isang account na to, it's 5 million pesos earned for $46,000 or close to 3 million. And Miss Al-Abaw, no? From 800, ano? $800, she turned into 2 million last year. So, ito yung mga magagandang performance, no? So, syempre, the higher the risk, the higher the return, and subjective siya sa interpretation ng trader. So, kaya nga, if you want more, learn more. Di ba? If
Yes.
you wanna earn more, learn more. Okay? Accessing our strategies by screenshot right now the screen on you so that you will be directed to the strategies here on your screen. Ayan. So, dire-diretso lang yan. Makikita nyo dyan yung mga paano gumawa ng strategy on different website. And aside from that, no, we'd like to dapat si Coach Lloyd pala no mag-invite no on the next session. So that's it for
Yes.
me. Coach Lloyd, I turn it over to you.
Yes, yan. Isa sa mga gusto namin ituro talaga sa inyo guys is the best way to start going into Forex. And the best way to do that is through learning the basics, but at the same time, do copy trading. Bakit po? Kasi po, sa trading kasi, when you trade your own money, Forex itself, kahit na magaling ka, is risky. Right? But, the risk is multiplied if you're a newbie because of your inexperience. Meaning, kung natatalo kami mga traders na mga marurunong na, mas malaki ang tsansa kung ikaw mismo ang mag-trade kasi gusto mo mag-aral na mawala ang pera mo. The risk is multiplied because of your inexperience. So, the best start really is to learn about Forex. Meron tayong mga demo accounts dyan na pwede nyong matutunan, and then we have videos available sa mga dun sa na sa QR code kanina, may mga videos dyan about basics, about the strategies and everything. Pag-aralan nyo yung mga terminologies, it's going to be sobrang, kung i-shortcut nyo kasi yan, sobrang nakaka nosebleed, ma-overwhelm kayo. So, mas maganda na, mas dahan-dahan nyo siyang matutunan. Ang problema kasi sa pag-aaral is, yes, gusto mong matutunan ito and gusto mo i-experience agad, which is usually wrong. Okay? Kasi, naiinggit ka sa mga kinikita ng mga tao. Uy, nagtitrade na ako, nasa trading na ako, pero hindi pa rin ako kumikita. So, you're gonna try to use your real money to trade also. And then, you're just gonna end up losing the money. And, at the same time, pag nawala yan, is magiging, the emotion is going to be, ayoko na kasi nawawala pala ang pera dito. That's the wrong way of learning. And that's the traditional way. The best way to learn is, learn it, yung mga terminologies and everything you need to learn without risking your money. Pero, gusto mong kumita, punta ka sa copy trading. What is copy trading? More about that on our next na webinar series. So, yung part 2 nito is going to be about copy trading and lahat ng mga copy trading systems namin. We're gonna be discussing more about it. But copy trading basically is, ganito lang po yan, right? Let's say for example, ako mismo is nagpapa-copy trade kasi ako eh. So, I know how to trade. I'm trading my own account. There is a way for you to replicate my trading success automatically. Okay? Meaning, kung magte-trade ako ng odd CAD, kahit wala kang ginagawa, kung nakaka-trade ka sa akin, iti-trade mo rin yung odd CAD. So, whatever I win in my trade, in percentage, let's say for example, I win 5% on my trade, you are going to win 5% also on your trade. And this is done automatically by the copy trading system provided by the brokers. And that system is for free. So, sobrang ganda po niyan. It's a technology that's been available for more than 10 years already. sobrang bago pa rin siya para sa mga Pilipino, and that's the reason why we really want to teach you about it. This is a way for you to leverage technology and leverage the skills of a good trader para ma-replicate mo yung success nila on your finances. This is a good start kasi this time, since kumikita ka na sa copy trading, you're not gonna be pressured to trade your real money habang nag-aaral ka. And since wala ng pressure na kumita ka, you are going to be learning much more efficiently at mas effective po yung pag-aaral mo kasi wala na yung pressure na kumita. Because of copy trading, you're automatically gaining and you're able to replicate the trades, and then you're still able to take advantage of the opportunity in forex market. So this is the best